how to update Zoom Flatpak in Linux system with Ansible. I'm going to show you a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Burton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are going to talk about Ansible module command. The full name is ansible.builtin.command. It's part of the Ansible built-in module maintained by Ansible Core, and you are going to use when you are desperate, when there is no specific module to do this type of job. And the purpose of a command module is to execute commands on target system. There are also some drawbacks because it returns always a change status because it's not able to use idempotency. So use carefully. Let's move on to a little demo about how to update Zoom Flatpak in Linux system with Ansible Playbook. First of all, let me connect to my target machine and access the available version of Flatpak installed on this machine. Let me connect via SSH. DevOps is my username. Ubuntu 2110 example.com is my target host. In this host, I already have some Flatpak, and let me list. Flatpak list. These are the installed one with the available version. As you can see, Zoom is on version 5.9.1. that is not the latest available. Let me check it out on FlatHub, the latest version. Welcome on my browser. Let me go directly to FlatHub. I could find it out on the popular hub Zoom conferencing and scroll it down to check it out the latest available version. Version 5.9.6. Whatever. So there is a new release of this Flatpak. I will show you one playbook to automate this update process. Here we go. Welcome to my editor. I will show you one simple playbook to update Flatpak. Let's start our play with a name Flatpak update demo that is going to target all of my inventory. I need a root privilege, so let me set become to true and let me disable fact gathering because we don't need it. On the task list, there is only one that is going to be named update Flatpaks. Flatpak, let me add a parenthesis between the S, we don't know how many. And let me execute Ansible built-in.command. Specifically is Flatpak update -- not interactive. And that's it. Please notice that Flatpak don't have auto update like Snap, for example, so we need to do manually. Welcome back to my terminal. First of all, let me disconnect from my target machine with exit and execute my Ansible playbook using Ansible-playbook command line, and let me specify also the inventory and virtual machine Ubuntu 2110 desktop and inventory. Here we go. What else? Oh yes, sure, I need to specify the playbook name. The execution will be super fast, and Ansible basically is going to share the command between the source and the target host. This is the command run by root on the command line, like root could do, but you could automate via Ansible, and there is a huge benefit, as you could understand, because every time you can automate overnight, for example. The status is changed, which means operations were performed on target host. Let me connect again. I could replay the same command and Flatpak list. This time, as you can see, the version of the Zoom Flatpak was updated to the latest one. Now version 5.9.6 is present on the system. If I scroll it up on my terminal, I can see that previously version 5.9.1. So there is a little but still an improvement. 5.9.1 and now 5.9.6. And everything was performed automatically with Ansible. So good job, Ansible. Another operation was automated. Now you know how to update Flatpak in Linux system with Ansible. I show you one example using the Zoom Flatpak, but you can extend to as many Flatpak as you need it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, write me a comment, and in general, keep in touch with me. See us on the next IT adventure with Ansible Pilot. This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.